I think Gen X is quietly falling apart, and I don't just mean financially. I mean emotionally, physically, mentally. A lot of people my age, born in '68, exhausted, stressed out, overweight, burnt, living paycheck to paycheck at this part of our lives, struggling in our relationships, watching our health just go down, trying to hold everything together while quietly just falling apart inside. The scary part is most people around you, they don't even know, because Gen X became really good at internalizing being quiet, pretending we're not stressed, pretending we're not scared, pretending we're not exhausted. That's how a lot of us were raised by the silent generation, the boomers. Keep moving, keep your head down, push through it, keep working, do not complain. Nobody wants to hear that. Don't even talk about your feelings. So we became adults who learned how to survive, but we never really learned how to take care of ourselves physically or emotionally, and eventually catches up. That's why so many people, Generation X, that's what we're suddenly dealing with: high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, anxiety, depression, divorce, addiction, just being lonely, and mostly just burnout. Honestly, I think a lot of us woke up one day realizing we spent decades just surviving, white knuckling it, but you never really learned how to live. And that realization hits so hard in your 40s and 50s, especially if you've been divorced. Health scares, money, struggling, watching the time just zoom by. This is not a hopeless message. I actually think this could be the beginning of rebuilding a better life. Once you finally admit, I'm not okay, you have the power to start to change things, but not until then. One walk matters, a better meal, one calm evening. How about a trip to the gym? An honest conversation with your spouse or yourself. One less destructive decision that doesn't hurt yourself. That's how you rebuild. Not overnight, not perfectly by any means. Just slowly decide to stop abandoning yourself. I think millions of us in Gen X are trying to figure that out. If you're starting over like me, please hit the subscribe button, type I'm in. If you're doing this with me, I am an accountability coach and I help people start over. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.